in Marvel Rivals typically indicates connectivity issues that prevent the game from establishing a proper connection to its servers. To resolve this issue, consider the following steps. 1. Check your internet connection. Test your connection. Use an online speed test to ensure your internet is stable and meets the game's requirements. Restart your router. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. 2. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs or proxy servers can interfere with the game's ability to connect to its servers. On Windows, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy. Ensure all proxy settings are turned off. On consoles, navigate to your network settings and disable any proxy configurations. 3. Clear cache files. On PC, navigate to the game's installation directory. Locate and delete the cache folder or specific cache files. Restart your computer and launch the game to allow it to create new cache files. On consoles, CERN. Power off the console completely. Unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. Plug it back in and power it on to clear the system cache. 4. Verify game files. On PC, Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and repair any corrupted or missing files. On consoles, ensure the game is fully updated by checking for updates in the game's options menu. 5. Update your system. On consoles, ensure your console's system software is up to date. Navigate to Settings, System, Updates to check for and install any available updates. On PC, ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are current. If after performing these steps the issue persists, consider reaching out to Marvel Rivals support for further assistance. For a visual guide on resolving error code 26, you might find this video helpful. How to fix Marvel Rivals error code 26, turn search 0 blau.